I wanted to log in and show a quick how-to video for Microsoft PowerPoint. I could not find one online that was under 20 minutes, but of course you can always use those at home as well to help support your virtual education. So the first thing you're going to do, I'm going to toggle this down. You are going to go to your apps and you are going to open the red PowerPoint button. So it's that slideshow for Microsoft Office. So once you find that, you can even search it in your search bar and find PowerPoint, whatever works best for you. And we are going to open this app. So it's going to pull up a blank. It'll show all your other ones as well. If you've never done PowerPoint before, then you won't have anything down here. I obviously do. So I'm going to start with a blank presentation. And that is going to open. I'm going to make this full screen. That will help us out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is that designer on the side. If you want to use a designer, great. If not, go ahead and close that out just to minimize distractions on your portal. You can see as I move this around, it's not been saved, so it just says presentation 1, and you have all of your widgets up here to make changes. So the first thing you're going to do is title your presentation, and you're going to say like, hi. Sorry, I'm trying to make this 6th grade friendly by Hannah Lester. So once you have something here, as always, you want to save. So we've talked about that. Floppy disk means save. You're going to need to kind of change the destination. I'm a teacher, so I have some different stuff going on. But if we do File, Save As, I would title this 316 Animal Research Presentation. Okay, and then of course you can go in, like I have different OneDrive set up, but of course I love to do the browse, clicking on desktop, and then that's where you can find your folders. So going into the English folder and saving it there, a shameless plug for having folders on your desktop. So then from here, a lot of students, is kind of where we get stuck and we are paused. So always go up, look at what you have underneath the home button, different options here. So we can do a comparison to content, title slide. You can do a blank slide if you want to add pictures. This is where you can then go in and insert pictures from your device if you've saved them. You have personal pictures. Let me see here. It's not moving off. You can do online pictures. This is a fun way to pull pictures from the web without having to do the copy and paste. But we have talked about copying and pasting different things like facts and information. So that's always an option as well. So you can search for wolves. Click enter. You can highlight the picture you want and then click insert, and it will bring your wolf picture here. Then you can resize your wolf picture, and we can talk about that. So you'll have 2 pieces of media and then 2 facts. And so one thing that might be very helpful is to go back. It'll change right to picture format. Use this ribbon up here to move around. So go back into insert, and we want to have a new slide underneath. Maybe we want to do our 2 facts. Maybe we want to write 2 facts here. You can always keep coming back to this home button. You can change the font. You can change, that's really pretty. Anyways, you can change the highlighting of it. You can change the size. So maybe this is too small for you. Make it larger, okay? Definitely make sure you look at these icons so we can go back to images here. Let's do wolf map. Map. Oh goodness. Map. Oh, I'm clicking. I'm just going crazy with my typing. Map of wolves. So that was my bad. This would be one I have to kind of like go to another source and pull it. That's okay. So I can add different things here. As always, going back up to the top and clicking save on that save button so that you can plug it in. So I just wanted to definitely show you guys how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. You're going to stay in the home button, the insert mostly. So that's where your pictures are, and that's where you can change different things. So when you click on those boxes to add stuff, you can change things here. You can add bullets. You can change where the text is. You can change all this good stuff. So definitely make sure you play around and have some time to make this presentation what you want it to be. Sixth grade's a great time to be creative with this stuff. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you guys.